Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading, especially to all my fellow Scorpios. Hope you guys having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. It's because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world. For some of you guys, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. And aside from that, this is not your personal reading. You are advised to book a personal reading if you want to know your personal story to another tarot card readers because I am not accepting a personal reading for the meantime. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I would like to remind you guys that the energy of this reading could be reversal. If this is not your story and your energy, just leave it. Okay? And in tarot, there is no gender. It doesn't matter if you're male or female. So please, take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Let me see your energy in this reading, guys. Let me see what is going on with my fellow Scorpios. First, we have the Justice. This is a Libra energy. For some of you guys, it could be that you are dealing with a Libra or you have a Libra in your birth chart. For some of you, not necessary. It could also be a person who has an authority, a judge, a lawyer, a police officer. Could also be that this is related to law and order. It could also be that you are going to receive a decision from the court here. This is the consequences of somebody's action. This is the cause and effect. The justice is just like the well of karma. What goes around comes back around. And it depends on your action in the past. But I feel like the justice is in your favor. For some of you guys, you call the justice. And the universe give you the truth, the honesty, and the clear judgment. And I feel like there are lots of people who are now seeing the truth. But for some of these people, guys, they decline or they doesn't want to see the truth because it could also be that if they are going to see the truth, their illusions are going to destroy. And that's why for some of these people, they refuse to see the truth. For most of you, this is your energy. Of course, this is your reading. If you have a problem related to the court, litigation in the court, law and order, it could also be that this is related to an inheritance, divorce, or related to your business. Rest assured that the justice is in your favor. This is the present energy, the justice. Let me see, the challenge here is the Queen of Cups. This is a fellow water sign, energy, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a matured mother figure. Could also be a Libra, double confirmation. Either you are dealing with a Libra or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a matured mother figure involved here. Could also be a lawyer, a judge, or a person who has an authority. This is the challenge. Let me see the past I mean, the spiritual lesson is the Ten of Cups. Again, a Pisces energy. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart, or a group of 10 people. This is a completion. This is related to your happily ever after. Somebody have viewed you as a marriage material if you are single. Somebody wants to marry you, to have a family with you. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Libra. Because these are the cards come out here. If these are the past people, they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. And a mother figure is involved here. Let me see. The past situation is the King of Wands. This is a fire sign energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person is strongly attracting on you. This person is adoring you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You are passionate and driven. And aside from that, you are a very confident and independent person. And there are lots of people who are talking about you, because there are lots of people who are captivated with your aura. Not only that you are very confident and independent person, you are also showing to the world as a good leader. You give hopes and inspiration to other people. I don't know what is the nature of your job. Could also that this person is admiring you. This person could be an Aries. Let me see your present energy is the Queen of Pentacles. You are very nurturing and loving person. You are abundance. It doesn't matter that if you are abundance, you have lots of money. This is related to your energy. You are very nurturing and loving person. You are connected to Mother Earth. And somebody viewed you as a marriage material. Double confirmation, because you are not only loving yourself unconditionally, you have an emotional intelligence. You can understand the feelings of other people, but some people don't understand you. You are deep, you are following your intuition, and of course you are the control of your own emotion. And aside from that, this is your energy. You are the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Or it could also be that this person is dealing with you and the other person. This person viewed you as an emotional, intelligent woman, and you are, and the other person is could be a business woman. I don't know what this is all about. Could also that this person is attracting on you and also with the other person. I don't know what this is all about, because everyone is different. You could also be dealing with a matured mother figure. This could also be a rich woman, or you are in this energy of the Queen of Pentacles. Of course, this is your reading. You are the Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups. And it's enough for this person to admire you. And for some of these people, guys, I feel like they are talking about you because you are the hot topic of the society. Because of your loving energy, loving aura, and aside from that, you are the control of your own emotion. You have an unconditional love to yourself. That's why somebody here wants to offer you a marriage proposal to be the mother or the father of their children. Let me see. This is the future. The Nine of Swords. Oh my gosh. Somebody here is stressing over you. This person couldn't sleep. This person having an anxiety. For some of you guys, if this is your energy, the universe advises you to liberate your thoughts. I don't think that this is your energy, but because you are the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles, and this person is stressing over you, stressing over the truth about you. Because for some of you, the justice is in your favor, and this person couldn't believe that the justice is in your favor. And aside from that, you are very intuitive. You love yourself unconditionally. You are very nurturing, kind of person. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. And somebody here couldn't sleep You are the nightmares in this person's lives. Could be a group of 9 people. This could be in the past. Your family, in your workplace, your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. They are stressing over the truth. They are stressing that you are the control of your own life and you are a very nurturing person. You are abundance. Abundance doesn't mean that you have lots of money. I told you, it's not related to money. It is related to your energy. Or you could also be having lots of money because you are an independent person for some of you guys, of course. And they couldn't sleep. They are stressing over you. For some of these people, guys, they put 9 of swords on your back. And that's why their guilt eating them alive. Because they couldn't believe that you have justice. You look, and you are the control of your own emotion, and you love yourself unconditionally. You don't need this person or group of people to come back in your life because somebody here wants to return, to apologize, and to, if possible, to reconcile with you. The justice. You have peace because you choose to heal. You love yourself unconditionally. You have an emotional intelligence. You don't need this person or group of people to return in your life. You don't care if they will ask apology or not. It doesn't matter for you because you are at peace. You are in this energy of the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. And that's why this person or group of people couldn't sleep because their guilt eating them alive. I don't know what they have done on you. Everyone is different. This could be composed of 9 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the 9. You could be born on the 9 of the month. You could be born on 1999. This is related to your closure, the completion. And you cut off the ties of this person or group of people because they tried to mock you down. They are spreading lies and rumors about you. They slandered your name. They assassinate your character. Everything they have done on you behind your back. They backstab you with 7 of swords. And I fully understand if you cut off the ties and if you are no longer communicating with them anymore. Now they couldn't sleep because their guilt eating them alive. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Ace of Cups. This is your energy. You have an overflowing emotions. You are very lovable and you are capable to love and to be loved. Could also be that this is a new beginning of love and romance. Somebody wants to offer you this. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. For some of you, it could also be that there is a pregnancy here because this is related as well to fertility. Others of you, you are very intuitive. You are deep. You are following your intuition. And this person or group of people knew it. That's why they couldn't sleep because they are now thinking that, oh, maybe Scorpio knew what we have done on them. Of course, you knew. But you don't care because you already healed yourself. You love yourself unconditionally. And justice is in your favor. You knew the truth. Of course, because you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. You look, you are a very nurturing and loving person. And if this person in the past will return or not, it doesn't really matter with you at all because you don't need this person in your lives. This 9 of swords, who backstab you with 9 of swords, who create too much pain in your mind and in your heart. You pour love to yourself. That's why you have an unconditional love. And this person or group of people couldn't sleep because they couldn't believe that the justice is in your favor. They thought that you are experiencing a mental breakdown because they want you to experience a mental breakdown in the past. You look like this, the 9 of swords. They want you to be alone, to be like a psychopath, that you are broken, that you cannot decide anything. Could also be that they are engaging you to cast spells, black magic, witchcraft, voodoo. And now, it backfires on them. That's why they couldn't sleep. That's why their guilt eating them alive. Because they are thinking now that you knew what they have done on you. For you, it doesn't really matter at all. Because for you, it's over. You already healed. But you are not giving your energy to this person. The people in the past who create too much burden in your mind and in your heart. Who are manipulating you. Who backstab you with the 9 of Swords. You don't care with this person in your life. These 9 people, for you, they are game over. Because somebody here wants to return. Could be a group of this person or people, the 9 people. Somebody here wants to apologize and if possible to reconcile with you. It doesn't really matter for you because for you, this person or group of people are not existing in your life. But you knew why they couldn't sleep because they are guilty of what they have done on you. You have a new beginning of love. Everything is aligning on you. And this person or group of people couldn't believe because everything they have done on you backfires on them. I don't know who are this person or group of people because everyone is different. Let me see. The outside influence is the 6 of Swords. I told you, you already move on. You already overcome what they have done on you. But you don't want to communicate with them anymore because for you, this is over. You have nothing to do with this person or group of people at all because they are the one who caused too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. They tried to mock you down. They screwed you up. They spread lies and rumors about you. They assassinating your character, your reputation, everything. But the justice is in your favor and that's why they couldn't sleep. I'm sorry, cross watchers, whoever you are, I'm so sorry. Because whatever you wish to somebody else, cross watchers, will come back to you because we are interconnectedness. If you are wishing bad to other people, we are connectedness, it will come back to you. Return back to sender. In the name of the Divine Most High. Yeah, look, you already moved on. And let me see your... This is your hopes and fears. Of course, you are the Queen of Wands. It could also that this person viewed you as their divine counterpart. The Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. Or you are dealing with a couple. I don't know. Or 2 people who are collaborating each other. This could be a part of these 9 people who tried to give you a permanent endings, but it didn't work. Now they couldn't sleep because their guilt eating them alive. Take only what fits in your story, and the outcome is the devil. I told you. They are obsessed on you. They hate you because they couldn't control you. They are losing the power to control you. All they think is they can control you in the past, but no. No one can control your destiny because this is divinely given to you, especially if you are an earth angel, a spiritual warrior, a chosen one. Of course, not all of you. If you are on the right path, this is your reading, Scorpios, and all they can do is to obsess on you. For some of these people, guys, they perceive that they hate you, but they are watching you. They are stalking your social media like a hawk, 24 hours, what you are posting. They knew everything, what you are doing. Because they are obsessed. But they are mad. Because why? They couldn't control you. They are powerless. For some of you guys, it could be that you are dealing with a Capricorn. Others of you, it could also be that you are married with this person because there's a legal binding here. Or they want to control you in the past, but it didn't happen. Now they couldn't sleep. Because they tried to block your destiny, your work, your financial stability. And now, the justice takes over. And they couldn't sleep. They are stressing over you. They have anxiety. But they are still obsessed on you. If this is a new person, this person wants to control you. This is the outcome. I don't think that they can control you because you are the control of your own emotion, the Queen of Cups, the King of Wands, the Queen of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. And you have an emotional stability. You are becoming intelligent because of what you have experienced in the past. Because with this person or group of people, they are obsessed because you cut the ties off. All they can do is to watch on you. Somebody here could be a psychopath, or they have a mental breakdown because of what they have done on you. This could be a part of their karma, because the justice is just like also the law of karma. What goes around comes back around. All their cast spells backfires on them. For some of these people, guys, they engage you to black magic, voodoo, witchcraft, and it didn't work. They believe that they are powerful than the God. And now, everything they have done on you backfires on them. But they are still obsessed on your energy. And they are spying on you through your social media or outside your home. But they are angry, they are mad, and so jealous on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, cross-watchers, whoever you are. You look, the Nine of Swords. Capricorn is involved here. Capricorn, Leo, Aquarius, fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and a Libra. Aries also is involved. Aries, Sagittarius. Could be a collaboration of 9 people who tried to mock you down in the past. And now they are feeling powerless because they couldn't control you. Who can control you? You showed them who is the control of your life. And now they are mad. They are very angry. But they are spying on you through your social media. Clarify me, Father. Why the devil in this reading? Oh my gosh. It is clarified as the garden. Could also be a new person is obsessed on you and they wants to invite you to a party. They want you to socialize with them. They viewed you as an entertainer. Be very careful because somebody here is overindulgence. Somebody here could be, because they wish that you have a mental breakdown and ended up with their own wishes. Somebody here could be a psychopath, a narcissist, a toxic person who tried to control you in the past. I'm sorry. They couldn't control you. Now they are losing power to control you. Because of the justice come out, the truth. Clarify me, Father, why the devil in this reading? Oh my gosh. Why the devil here, please? This is an obsession. If these are the past people, this is one of their karma. To watch you like a hawk. To spy your social media. It is clarified as hopeless. I told you, sinking, despair, falling apart. Oh my gosh. This is the clarification of the devil. The devil lost in this game, of course. Because for some of you, you are a spiritual warrior. You are a chosen one and an earth angel. And they missed up the wrong one. I never see all of you. I said, if you are a Scorpio on the right path, this is your readings. Now the devil has no power over you. Because you bet them with your unconditional love. The justice is here. And the devil is mad. Because the devil is hopeless. Their lives are falling apart. Because of what they have done on you. My beautiful souls, Scorpio. It backfires on them. Oh my gosh. Why the 6 of Swords in this reading, please? Tell me more about the 6 of Swords. It is clarified as number 27. Could be that they are going to send you a letter, an email, a communication. They wants to communicate with you through email. I don't know what this is all about. You could be 27 years old. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 27. You could be born on 22, 77, 1977. I don't know what this is all about. Or you could be born as well in 1972. Or you are dealing with this person. This person is obsessed on you. But they couldn't control you. If these are the past people, they are also obsessed. Because this is part of their karma. They couldn't let you go. They have a mental breakdown because their guilt eating them alive. I don't know what they have done on you. They are so hopeless because you cut them off out of your life. You said goodbye to all the people who caused me pain. That's all. And clarify me, Father, why the justice in this reading. I love this reading for you guys. I told you. There's clarified as the moon. I told you their secrets already exposed. The truth, the trickery, manipulation, and the lies. The shady work behind the moon. Could also be that they did rituals under the moon in order to put blockages with your financial stability, your work, in order for you to have, that you couldn't love yourself unconditionally. Whatever bad wishes they created on you or they are doing in the cast pills, it backfires on them. And now, the karma begins because this is the justice. And Cancer, Pisces is involved here, the moon, or a mother figure. Clarify me further, why the Ten of Cups in this reading, please? Why the Ten of Cups, sir, please? Why the Ten of Cups? That is clarified as releasing, letting go, moving on, walking away. The universe advises you to release this person or group of people. For some of you guys, you already release. You don't need them in your life because you have an unconditional love to yourself. It doesn't really matter if they will return to you and ask forgiveness or not. You don't need them. They tried to end your life in the past. You look to give you a painful ending. And now they are the one who is suffering in silence. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me further. Why the Queen of Wands, sir, please? Oh my gosh. Why the Queen of Wands in this reading? It is clarified as boundaries. I told you they couldn't come back in your life because you don't care if they will come to you or not. You love yourself unconditionally and you don't need them in your life. You are putting a healthy and clear boundaries. You are drawing the line. Enough is enough. Could be Leo is involved here. Could also be that they are one of this group of 9 people who created too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. This is the time for you to spread your wings, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because this is the time to show to this person or group of people that they are not the control of your own life. They should control their own lives instead of your own lives, because your life is, your birthright is given to you by the Divine Most High, and not this person or group of people who tried to manipulate you to control your life without any reason. Now they are suffering in silence because they engage you to the devil, to the abracadabra, and for some of you, you are innocent. Of course, it backfires on them. This is energy cycles. We are all interconnectedness. What you have given to other people, what's the negative energy, your wishes to other people will come back to you. Logic. It is clarified as director. I told you a lawyer or a judge is involved here. But everything now is cleared because the truth come out. That's why lots of people couldn't sleep. Oh, especially those people who miss you up. Sorry. Clarify me, Father, why why the Queen of Pentacles in this reading? It is clarified as memories, reminiscing, dwelling, bittersweet. All they can do is to reminisce the bittersweet memories with you. Because you end up this cycle. This is the closure, the 10 of Cups. You said goodbye to all the people who create too much pain and burdens in my mind and in my heart. Clarify me, Father, why the King of Wands in this reading? Why the King of Wands, sir, please? It is clarified us. Oh my God, they are ghosting you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. They are running away. Maybe this person or group of people doesn't want to see you because their guilt eating them inside. Yeah, look. For some of these people, guys, they are hiding. They doesn't want to see you. They are ghosting you. Or you are ghosting them. I don't know, which is your energy here. Clarify me, Father. Why the? Oh my gosh, there are lots of things. I love this reading for you guys. There are lots of things to be clarified. Why the? Clarify me, Father. Why the devil in this reading? Clarify me, Father, the devil here, please. It is clarified as nourishing, self-growth, self-focus, and soul-finding. This person are unhealed. They are toxic. They needs healing, but you don't care because you already healed. You love yourself unconditionally. The justice comes out from this person, what they have done to you. You are also nurturing yourself. You are the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, the 10 of Pentacles, the King of Wands, the Queen of Wands. The Justice is here. And you have an overflowing love, overflowing emotions. And this person or group of people doesn't have an unconditional love to themselves. All they can do is to hate and manipulate other people and to engage you to the devil, the black magic, abracadabra. Now it backfires. The karma now begins. I told you. The energy involved in this reading are Aries, Leo, an air sign, Aquarius, Capricorn, a fellow water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Virgo, Gemini, and Libra. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.